pull off these 4 bolts,
yeah,
pull this end cap off, that thing will pop out.
Oh,
you'll see it.
Okay.
Silencer.
Oh,
just put that cap back on, and it sounds bitchin'.
Oh, so I can remove it. So it's not.
I didn't tell you that.
So it's a baffle. Okay, okay. So it's
I didn't tell you
it's a
that.
removable baffle.
I didn't tell you that.
Okay, okay, cool. All right. Missed the bike, man. It's gray, black and gray. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. So as you can see, this is the next one in the channel. So I don't know how much of off-road content I'm going to be doing with this one, but super excited. I've been looking for this bike for so long. I just couldn't really like pull the trigger because I'm like a BMW fanboy, KTM. But they had a good deal today, so PCP Motorsports pulled it off. They had a good deal today, discount and some additional freebies with this bike. So while supplies last, there's like $1,800 off on this bike and a free set of tires, additional tires. So you can't go wrong with that. So basically the bike was like 11,000 out the door, something like that. So it cannot be beat. Free set of tires, $1,800 off. I chose the shadow gray. There's a blue one. I think they have 2 blue ones. So if you watch this video, I think they still have 2 blue ones, or maybe they'll get more. I don't know how long the promo is going to be going for, but I took the deal because I saw it this morning. I took the deal. So I was holding off for a GS, but like that's a lot of money compared to this, and I'm not really touring lately, so the T7 will fit the bill. In terms of a build, I don't have a build in mind for this. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing, so I'm just kind of taking delivery right now. Let's see. Yeah, so there's not much to it. It's stock. I'm gonna ride it home. Unfortunately I didn't bring my my GoPro with me, so I'm gonna be just talking to you guys on the phone here, and then when I get home I'll do kind of a post-ride report. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Traditional key, TFT dash. Super quiet. Looks like it's gonna be a comfortable ride. Quiet, you know. Good engine. All right, we're gonna do a ride home, and I'll give you guys a post-ride report since I don't have my GoPro. So here we are. We're home. T7. So it's kind of an odd pairing right here, but this is basically what I've been thinking about lately, where I'm just the Supermoto is just really good. It's doing everything I need for a sport kind of riding. I kind of need something to complement that, which is adventure, everyday riding. The Supermoto is an everyday rider, don't get me wrong, but the way it's set up, it's no longer really nice on the street. It's very, very aggressive suspension-wise, and also if I have to take a passenger, it's not really for that. So that's why we have this one here now. So I mentioned earlier in the video, PCP Motorsports here in Sacramento is doing like a promotion. They knocked off like $1,800 off of this, and a free set of tires that I did not avail yet because I just can't decide. I don't know what tires I need. I'll see how these Pirelli rallies are. I've heard good reviews about them. I don't know. I don't want extra tires just sitting here. So I'm gonna ride this one. Free set of tires is what they offered, but they said I could kind of roll that over to another, other things like other accessories if I want to. So yeah, I don't know. Like, I've been looking at this bike for so long. I've always wanted to try it. I just never had a Yamaha before, and here we are. So it's actually really cool. So I want to note a couple things. You still have a traditional key. This is the newer model with the TFT display, as you can see there. It's very simple. There's not a lot of tech on this. It's everything you need. That's all you get. So you have your fuel gauge, your RPMs, 6-speed trip meters and things like that. That's all. This, you don't really need much. So this is all you need. You have a bar here for your GPS or your phone. That's very handy to have that. You have your USB outlet here, and you have your ABS button down there to turn it off and on. Your scroll wheel here for your option menu. Start stop here. That's it. High beam, low beam, low beam flasher. You have a hazard light and your horn. And I read it's 4.2 gallons. That's pretty cool. 21-inch front, 18-inch wheel, rear wheel. And see what's on the other side. Yeah, stock everything. I don't know what to do first off the bat. For sure, maybe luggage, something to do with like a rear plate here, or maybe just a pannier. I don't know. I don't know what offerings they have out there. It's going to be a whole new kind of chapter for me. So usually when it's a GS, I already know what I want to do. But for this, everything is new. From that short ride home, this aerodynamic here is great. No buffeting on my helmet. I'm 6'2". With I was wearing a helmet with a peak on it. No buffeting at all. Smooth air. The mirrors are great. I'll probably get bark busters for sure. I always get bark busters for these kind of bikes. And I don't know if I'll do a crash cage. I'll probably do a crash cage. So probably do a crash cage. Some. I'm gonna fully, you know. I don't want to mimic a GS, but I'm going to do the same things that a GS has: a cage, protection, fog lights. You know, kind of need those things if you're, you know, adventure mode. But I don't want to load it up too much because I like how light it is. I really like how light it is. That's why I kind of don't want to put too much of a cage on it, but just enough to protect it if it falls over, which is, I think it's going to land on the handlebars first before it hits everything else. So I think handlebars for sure needs to be bark busters, and then some protection on this panel here. So it's a short ride home. Everything else is great. It's a smooth engine. That's what I noticed. Smooth engine. I still have to bed in the brakes. The brakes felt a little weak, but because maybe they're brand new. The tires, they seem to handle and respond very well. I don't have any complaints with them so far. I'm super excited. I'm kind of speechless. I'm just rambling. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, so the Supermoto's here. I want to keep it, you know. I'm dabbling with the idea of maybe I should let it go, but it's super fun. It does what it needs to do. It just needs a little bit of speed, but like I said, I could just be faster as a rider and not, you know, the bike still has more to give. I'm not maxed out yet on it, so yeah, so let me know if you guys have any thoughts, you know, or whatever about this bike, and give me some advice. If you guys have a T7, or you guys know what I should look into with this bike, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.